Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 7.5 Pre Algebra Math, Part 1. Today we have a 34-point skill sheet for classwork, and we have 15 points here of a notebook guide for you at the email. Today's bell work teachers, multiple choice, and then a challenge question down here, students. Give your students 5-6 minutes here. Okay, welcome back. Here is our solution for number 1. We multiply by the percentage here. In a class of 35, 28 take the bus. What percent of students take the bus? So A would be percentage times B. 28 equals percentage times 35. Then we divide through here. 28 divided by 35 equals percent. And that would be 80%. Then down here to challenge. We do the same thing here. 60% of the height. A equals percentage of B. B equals 60% of H. 0.6H equals B. And then we plug that in here to our area formula here. And we have 0.3H squared. That's a good problem right here. 0.3H squared. So 30% of the height squared. The base. Write a formula for the area of the triangle in terms of H only. Okay, into our lesson here. 2 points of classwork. International Balloon Festival at Albuquerque. 903 balloons participated in 2000. 1,019 balloons participated. By what percent did the number of balloons increase from 99 to 2000? And this will be a percent of change, indicates how much quantity increases or decreases with respect to the original amount. If the new amount is greater than the original, the percent of change is called a percent of increase. If it's less, it's a percent of decrease. So this is on your classwork sheet, page. Percent of change is the ratio of the amount of increase or decrease to the original amount. So a percent of change is amount of increase or decrease over the original. We put the original in the denominators. Students, this is your chance to define these terms here in your own words. Percent of change, percent of increase, 10 points here. Notebook. Make sure you put page 3 on this lesson for your notebook. And then this one as well, percent of decrease. Notebook, 5 points here, page 4. Okay, example 1, find a percent of increase. So the answer, to answer the question above, find a percent of increase, number of balloons from 99 to 2000. So we had the amount of increase over the original amount. So we had 1019 minus 903 over 903. And that would give us 116 over 903. And then what percentage would that be? It'd be 0.128 or 12.8%. So the answer would be 12.8%. Now, find a percent of increase here. This is yours down here, students. We have 150, then the new would be 189. So how would we find a percent of increase here? 189 minus 150 over 150 would be 26% here of increase. Okay, example 2, find a percent of decrease from 512 to 320 So original amount in the denominator, amount of decrease, so it'll be 512 minus 320. So it'll be 192 over 512. And then that would be 3/8, which is 37.5% of a decrease there. Okay. Our next guide to practice, original 102, the new will be 51, so we have a decrease. Same thing for you students here. So our solution up here for our guide to practice would be this here. Amount of decrease, 102 minus 51 over 102, that's our original. And that'd be a 50% decrease here. And that's 7.5 part 1, part 2, part 3 available here, as well as tests and worksheets and homework and solution PowerPoints, etc. Thank you.